In this video, I will show you how to share your Xbox subscriptions, for example, Xbox Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold membership across all of the profiles on your Xbox console. So here we are on my Xbox dashboard. I'm signed into my Xbox account, Lil Rascal 0121. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share an Xbox subscription across all the Xbox profiles on your Xbox console. This is useful if you use one account to pay for Xbox Live or Xbox Game Pass. This will allow you to pay for it once for one console, and you will now be able to share the subscription across all of the profiles on your Xbox console. So, the first thing you need to do is you need to know which account is paying for your Xbox Live or your Xbox Game Pass subscription, or whatever subscription you are paying for example, EA Pass. For the purpose of this video, I've created an Xbox Live account that has paid for Xbox Game Pass and Xbox Live. This is not my Lil Rascal 0121 account, but another account. You need to be signed into the account that has the subscriptions enabled. Now if I go down to Switch, as you can see I'm signed into two profiles, Hidden Synth, this is the account that is paying for my Xbox Live and Xbox Game Pass subscription. From here you can see that this separate account is the one that is paying for Xbox Game Pass on my Xbox console. You can see this from the Xbox Game Pass watermark that is next to the gamer tag. While in the Profile and Systems menu, you want to scroll down to Settings. Select Settings. From here, you want to go to Personalization under the General tab. The General tab is at the top of the Settings menu. Move to the right twice and you have Personalization. Select Personalization. Now, the first thing you need to do to complete this process is to set the main profile of your Xbox console. In our case, we want the profile that has the subscriptions paid for and enabled. Scroll down to My Home Xbox. From here, you can see that this reads, if you make this your home Xbox, people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. Plus, if you have Xbox Gold membership, your whole household gets to enjoy Gold on this Xbox. But I'd like to add that this is also the same with other subscriptions that you have enabled or paid for with this profile. Now let's select Make this my home Xbox. Then you have another message that says, other people in your household will get to play your games and enjoy the benefits of your Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Game Pass memberships, even when you're not signed in. There's also a message that reads that I currently only have 4 switches left, so you cannot keep changing the main home Xbox profile of your console. You have a limited amount of times you can switch and change this. In your case, you need to select Make this my home Xbox. Once you've done this, you're not done yet. Come back out of this menu, all the way back to the main settings page. You're not yet done sharing your subscriptions on your Xbox console. There is still something left to do. You need to make the other Xbox profiles family members, as until this is done, The Xbox does not recognize the other profiles on your Xbox console as family members that you are sharing subscriptions and purchases with. You have to make them a member of your family. In order to do this, scroll down to Account. On the right hand side here, you can see a few things. For example, sign in, security and passkey, linked social accounts, privacy and online safety, content restrictions, payment and billing, subscriptions, and underneath subscriptions is family settings. Select family settings. From this page, you can see my sign-in, security and passkey, manage family members, family on the web, and signed out restrictions. You want to scroll down to manage family members. Select this. And from here, if you have any other profiles in your family, you'll be able to see them on screen. For some reason, I cannot see any family members on screen just yet. There should be my other game profile, but we're going to select Add to Family. Now you can see other family members in my Xbox Live profile family. For example, Lil Rascal 0121 is enabled as a family member on my Xbox console. This will allow that profile to use my subscriptions and or purchases and downloads that I have made with the current Xbox main home profile. In your case, when the Xbox Live profile is already enabled on your Xbox console, you would then select Add New and select a profile to add to your Xbox account family. Once you have done this, you have successfully shared your subscription purchases, for example Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Game Pass, with these other signed in or out accounts on your Xbox console. Congratulations! If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and, more importantly, subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel so you can catch more videos like this, more help with your gaming, editing and your online money. And with that said, don't click away just yet. I've got more videos coming up for you and I've got another one coming up in the end card right about now.